Hello everyone, today we are going to open and build this Lego Harry Potter set, the Flying Ford Anglia. Originally, I have no intention to buy this set, but after building the barrels, I thought I have to get this set because it was also on 20% discount. So without further ado, let's open it up and start building. And just like that, I have finished building this Flying Ford Anglia. So let's just take a look at the minifigures first before we take a look at the cars. So this set comes with Harry Potter and Ron Weasley. So we have some very nice print on the torso, and Harry Potter is not new. It appears from other set, and you can see they with short legs because it's the younger version of them. We've got Ron's animal here, and then we've got Hedwig, the O for Harry Potter, and they have a much more calmer alternate facial expression as well. And now we are looking at the star of this set, which is the Flying Ford Anglia. It's a very nice looking car, to be honest, especially at this scale. It really captures the looks of the car very well. Although, the print on the door could be a little bit wider because this part is slightly not consistent. In this case, I rather have a sticker than this subpar print. But anyway, the car itself is excellent. It has some interesting building technique to create the iconic shape. It's lovely to have this here, and the boot can open to fit a suitcase or other stuff, or a dismembered minifigure body. I'm actually impressed with how detailed it looks considering its size, and it will be a perfect car even outside of Harry Potter as well. And you can also remove the roof and fit two minifigure inside a instead of a full stud. They kind of have it like this, slightly deeper, so that you can place the minifigure, the kids minifigure inside and still appear to fit the car perfectly. And it's the perfect companion with the Burrow Collector's Edition. And this is the Lego Harry Potter Flying Ford Anglia. I think it's an excellent set. I like it very much. It's a set. Even if you're not a Harry Potter fan, you do get an excellent car here. Despite some of the print not up to standard, but as a car itself, is a great build and a great set. Also very affordable as well, so it's definitely a recommendation from me. And if you have the Burrow, it's even a better addition compared to the Flow Network gift with purchase you've got. Do let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like.